This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels. Where fitted, remove the plastic caps from the wheel bolts or nuts. Using the locking wheel bolt or nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts or nuts half a turn. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. Fully unscrew the bolts or nuts and remove the wheels. Raise the trailing arms slightly and support it with an axle stand. Liberally apply releasing fluid to the shock absorber mounting bolts and nuts. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower mounting nut. Note that a new nut will be required upon reassembly. Unscrew and remove the upper mounting bolt. Withdraw the shock absorber. Maneuver the shock absorber into position, then insert and finger tighten the upper mounting bolt. Align the lower end of the shock absorber, then finger tighten the new nut. Remove the axle stand and lower the trailing arm. Locate the wheel over the hub, insert and lightly tighten the bolts or nuts. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower it to the floor. Remove the jack. Tighten the wheel bolts or nuts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps where applicable. Don't forget to remove the front wheel chocks. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, tighten the lower mounting nut to the specified torque. Tighten the upper mounting bolt to the specified torque.